So today I'm starting off with the Stila primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And what the primer does is it makes your foundation last longer, and it also fills in the pores so your makeup looks flawless. And today I'm going to do my lids first, and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And it's just going to cover up all the veins that are on my lids. And then I'm just going to use my finger to cover it up. I find this is the perfect one because it's not too thick, and it's a very cheap concealer as well, so it's perfect. I've nearly used the whole thing, that's how good it is. And now I'm going to go in with this Morphe 3.5 palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here right in the crease, that one right here. And this brush that I'm using, it's perfect for the crease. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Purple goes really well with green eyes. It really makes them pop. This is an xobeauty brush, by the way. She had XO's new ones. And now I'm going to go on with this shade here. Right there. Just to make it even more intense. And then kind of window wipe motions going downwards as well. And now I'm going to apply some of this Too Faced glitter glue to my lids. I can tell this is going to be a challenge to get it on this time. Different lashes definitely take a while to get used to putting on. I find the thicker ones, like the more intense ones, are harder to put on than natural looking ones. And now I'm going in with the Nars Sheer Glow foundation. I'm going to put a lot on because I feel like I want full coverage. So there's two concealers that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear concealer and also the Age Rewind concealer. I'm just going to apply some right here. Blend that into my skin using a beauty blender. And to set the powder, I'm just going to use this MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish powder. I'm just going to pop that all over my face. And then I'm also going to use that under my eyes as well, but I'm going to use a different brush for that. It's quite a subtle one, it's not that intense. Then to contour I'm using the Bahama Mama. This brush is perfect. I can't remember where I got it from, but it was really cheap. And it's perfect for my cheekbones because I've got quite a small face and I only need like a little precision brush, you know, nothing too big. And then some down my nose. And now I'm going to go in with this Milani blush. This one's really pretty. It's got shimmer in it as well. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I will be using this shade here, Bubbly. And I'm just going to apply that right here. And then some down my nose. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit up here too. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to use this MAC lipstick, and it's in Fleshpot. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Extended long as an extension cord. Bitch,